Let us start with our small analysis of what Nifty is looking like. If I take this daily chart of Nifty, it is appearing like this. And as you know, we are considering the current downswing as a retracement to this upswing. That means this was the upswing, and currently we are retracing this upswing. Now, as I have been telling all of you, that the first thing to do is to draw a retracement level with the help of Fibonacci retracements. So we can see that 50% has been retraced, and during this retracement, a double bottom seems to have got formed at this point. And a breach of this point on daily chart is the first indication that this retracement might be over, and we may now resume our uptrend and upswing again. As you know, there is nothing certain in the market, but this is one of the probabilities that I have mentioned here. That means this particular support, the double bottom at around 17,775, is now a important threshold for observing this retracement. If this particular level is intact, that would mean that the retracement is over, and sort of this was the pullback, and again we are reverting into the uptrend. But if this level gets broken, then we will say that this retracement is continuing for some more time. This is our analysis of daily chart. Now let us come to 75 minutes. In 75 minutes, as we marked on the daily, this was an important level while coming down, and the last downswing was something like this. So initially we were treating the bounce as a retracement to this downswing, but now because the high point of this downswing has got broken, so in 75 minutes, what we have to do now is that we have to consider this particular upswing and then the current down move as a retracement to this upswing. So again, we have to draw Fibonacci retracements like this. And watch it carefully. We have already done 0.382 of this retracement. And till, as I mentioned on the basis of daily chart, till this level of 17,761 is intact, this down move has to be treated as a retracement to this upswing from this point of 17,761 to 18,180. Now we will start our day from here. if I take you to the 15-minute chart, on 15-minute chart, as you can see, the last downswing was like this. And this has become an important point, 18,145. If we go above 18,145, that would mean that this retracement to the down is over and we are again going to move up. So this way, if I retain this 15-minute chart, this level of 18,145 on the upside and these retracement Fibonacci levels are the support and this is the resistance. Till this 18,144 is intact, we cannot say that this retracement is over. But once 18,144 gets breached, then we would say that yes, higher levels are likely. If we take a look at our open interest chart, you can see that here 18,100 calls are open interest is much higher. And if this number at 18,100 strike starts changing, that would mean the possibility of a bigger uptrend is manifesting itself. So what I will do, as you can see, 18,100 call, which is represented by the green line, is open interest is about 1.28 CR and 18,100 put open interest is around 80 lakhs. So how this figure changes, whether the call side is getting reduced or put side is getting increased, that will take us to the probability of a breach of the level of 18,150 that we have noticed on the price chart. So first we look at the price chart, the important resistance and support levels, and then we look at the open interest to understand how today the market participants are going to position themselves and what is the likelihood of the resistance holding or the support holding or resistance giving in or the support giving in. So the level to be marked is 18,145 on the upside as the resistance and open interest at 18,100 CE. If that open interest is coming down, that would mean that resistance is becoming weaker and there is likelihood of the major participants taking the price on the higher side. So if the two things happen simultaneously, that will set the day for us.